In India, we are well into the second wave of the coronavirus. COVID 19 is winning. India is losing. The hospitals are running on fumes and the administration is collapsing. In today's video, I would like to analyze the top 3 reasons why we have failed in fighting the second wave of the coronavirus. For this, I would like to show you a little bit of data on how it works. I am going to compare India with some of the countries which have controlled COVID 19 very well. Let us start with a country like Singapore. You will notice that after the first spike, Singapore took immediate action and reduced the number of cases almost to zero. It can never be truly zero, but the number of cases are almost in single digits. Coming up to another country like Taiwan, here too we see the number of cases are almost always at single digits. Vietnam, after the first spike, the number of cases again are in single digits. They did have a big spike here, but this in reality is only about 100 cases a day. Another country like New Zealand, and then we come to India. As we see the graph, this was the first wave, and then the number of cases reduced. But if you notice, the number of cases never went to zero. They hovered at a minimum at around 10,000, and then it was disaster waiting to happen. We relaxed, and then the spike. We are currently having almost 4 lakh cases a day. This is estimated to go at its peak to around 14 to 15 lakh cases a day. You would argue that the countries I'm comparing India to have a very small population, and also some of them are island countries. And that is true, and that is one of the main reasons why India could not have relaxed. When we came down to around 10,000 cases, we started celebrating victory over the coronavirus. We relaxed our social distancing norms, and unfortunately, COVID 19 came back to bite us on our behinds. The relaxation of social distancing norms increases the spread of the virus, and as a virus spreads, it is well known that it mutates, and hence we have double mutation variants and triple mutation variants. And if the spread continues, and it will for some time, we are going to have multiple versions of these variants, unfortunately. Also, India over-relied on the vaccines to save us, but there are 2 problems which arose. One was people were hesitant to come forward to take the vaccine. This could be attributed to a lot of fear-mongering, mostly which was happening through social media. And also later on, there was some shortage in vaccines due to some various geopolitical issues. The situation in India looks very grim. For more insights like this, please do click the red subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.